After field set and legend, now let's talk about form validation. Validation ensures that user provide the required information before submitting the form. You can use HTML5 attributes like required, min length, max length to add basic validation for your form. Like if you want to add a validation field for this name input, we can add required. Like before submitting the form, the name must be filled, and the min length, length, min length should be 2. Like you have to give maximum 2 characters for this field. And also we can make this email field as required. Now let's see if we go back here. Now if we try to submit here, it will give like an error, please fill out the form. And if we give 1, it will say please the length this text is 2 character or more. Okay, so that's pretty cool, right? In form, the name field requires at least 2 characters, and both name and email fields are mandatory. If a user tries to submit the form without filling this out correctly, the browser will show the error message that you have seen. To sum up, HTML forms are powerful tools for collecting user input, and let's quickly recap the key points here, right? So we have started this with a form tag here. It is a form element which has the action and method. So action defines like the route that you're submitting the form to, and the method is the HTTP method like the post or get and etc. For user input, we use various types of input like the input type text, input type email, input type password, radio, checkbox, and all of them actually are used for different types of data and different purpose as well. So the group related fields are we can group the whole form or divide them into separate groups using field set and legends for better structure. And we can also add validations using the attributes called required, min length to ensure data accuracy. So that's it for the tutorial. Forms are very essential for creating interacting and functioning website. So be sure to practice and experiment with different form elements and all the different HTML elements that we have shown in this tutorial. If you've enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more web development series. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.